the nigga yell. Beam hit his knees, made him scream when the nigga fell. Shoot out with the law or the morgue before I sit in jail. Niggas say they love me, I can see it in these niggas' eyes. They don't wish me well. I don't need their company, they smiling when a nigga fell. Seeing that I'm popping in the shot, I'm like the third round. 40 stitches, 40 stitches, that man to no tell. Taking ditches for these niggas, toss them in so well.
Prince of the net. If me no shit, them can when I dance, I feel it the John on the side one teacher. Yo, I don't know it sound good now, so
Drive by, leave him in the street, nigga, roadkill. HBA gold fronts, let me get soul trip. Nigga, this is New York, make the wrong move.
But for real, if me no shit, then can you see me? Be sure to follow me on Instagram, red14_info. Please subscribe, like, share this video, you know what I mean? Got 20 subscribers now. Last time it was 19, now it's 20. Oh, shit. I ain't celebrating, I ain't bragging, but shout out to my people, though. You know what I mean? If I got 20 loyal niggas around me, fuck. Shout out to them, you know what I mean? But when I throw it off, I said them, when I shit making care, you know what I mean? I'm tell her straight. I thought they reckon I'm not throwing shades in the dog. Sun I shine, though. Yo, Terro down a follow me. CMR a follow me. My View TV a follow me. You see me? That channel I make, Prince of the Net, I make this channel about the second week of April. And the first content I post on this is 6IX9INE. You see me? 6IX9INE I first content I post on this. You see me? I'm a big fan of 6IX9INE. You see me? 6IX9INE get released from jail. So I'm sorry, man, go back into the vlogging thing. Keep it entertaining. So I mix look at dancehall with a little hip-hop news. And them other vlogger, you know, them just do be straight dancehall. All of a sudden, no, Booba drop. The big 6IX9INE song. Everybody and their mother start follow me. You see me and I post 6IX9INE. All of them Jamaican blogger, yeah. You see me? God go with them, I don't watch them still now, but them a watch me now. Because you don't know, say, from the prince of the internet do it, I train where I sit, dog. You see me? I train where I sit. Yo, check out that song, yeah. Yes or No by Red 14. Link in the description.
Ballin' like a basketball. I get more bitches than all of y'all. Shawty, I won though. Finesse for the check, then I'm gone. In the field, day and night. In the field while you niggas hot. Can't sell my soul, I got pride. Plus that bitch got me hypnotized. A pussy got class where the students at. Can't love a top where you do that at. Boy, you're not a killer where your new strap at. You owe me guap, better bring that back. Spitting fiction, I'm spitting facts. Been with the shit, nigga, ask me that. Since 2006, been stacking rats. Plugged in the streets, that's where I'm at.
And if you want to go somewhere after, no problem, me and you. Just let me know if I understand you.
Nah, I ain't going to Taboo. But, I'm keeping a party. Yeah.
Let me listen again. Which party I keep it? Where?
Pussy Town, Stony Hill, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so, link in the description, yes or no. That's my tune, I'm going to push it in, because I want to reach 200 views again, 300 views, and go straight up to 1,000 in the future. Who knows, motherfucker? Yo. Yeah, but that's all our vibes, you know what I'm saying? Yo, next song on the list, man, check out on a young artist, him talented, from the 876. His name is Raje. I'm not good with names, you know. Raje Maston. You see me? The song is called Dream. One, check it out.
This is just like a dream, yeah. Blessings on blessings. This is just like a dream, yeah. Hustle now we better. This is just like a dream, yeah. Mama said she proud dog, yeah. Remember the road, yeah. 10 toes down and I'm shows, yeah. Them never lied, the road we chose, yeah. But we held it down G-Code, yeah. No shakiness, we never fall now. Sky is the limit, Biggie told us. So I'ma keep going, I ain't stopping now. So I'ma keep going, I ain't stopping now. This is just like a dream, yeah. This is just like a dream, yeah. Blessings on blessings.
Yeah, that was my boy, Raje. Link in the description too. So you can click it for the full song, you know what I mean? Go over there, make them know, say, yo, Prince of the Net send you. You see me? Make him know, say, Prince of the Net send you. Tell him if him song bad, or tell him if him song whack. You see me? Leave an honest review, the honest feedback, you know what I mean? Me think him song dope. You see me? But my opinion matter. I fool no one. You see me? Because we're the fans, right? So, yo, show him some love or whatever. You already knows the prince of the net.
Dream job, blessings on blessings. This is just like a dream job. So now we better.
Straight to it, man. Get straight to it. Right now, I'm not even using a script. You see me? Big up the young artists, them. You see me? Big up all of the young artists, them. Manny Montana, my artist. Raje, yeah. You see me? Dancer Virus, that I'm a cousin. Rickaberry, everybody. Big up all the young artists, them. Because I don't know, so day by day, man. Post them and thing. But right now, we're talking about the old artists, them. What bad mind. The new artists, them. Right? Busy Signal, boss, from 2005. You see me? From 2005, in my mother boss close. Like, in boss early 2005, my father boss late 2005, right? You get a head start over my father now. My father pass him out and gone left him. You see me? Alright. Fast forward now, his career slow down and he pick up and slow down and he pick up. I don't know, come and pass him out. You see me? Because Busy was the man. Me rate Busy Signal back in the days, I'm not gonna lie. But Busy, he maintain him thing up and down, because you don't know him career drop when he sing One More Night. Gary, one more night. The little Batman song. You see me? And I don't want to say me a bash gays, but if a man sing, we say claims them straight and I say, Atted and we not condole them thing. That is Jamaica. Jamaican say them don't condole it. So you can't force nothing down with truth now. A man will say him not condole them sing them. I sing about One More Night, Gary One More Night. Them say him never say Gary, you know. I'm a baby. If it sound like Gary, why you never change it before you shoot the video? But I'm not dwell upon that still.
So where the pan, you good?
There like the mayor go and run it off in the dark, calm. Me no laugh in the dark.
Man.
So I'm to the girl over there. What, a pussy fat?
Yo, bumbo clock dog, you want to see when she sinking now, man?
Eh?
Going at the pussy, tight like a knot.
What?
I wonder right now if she timing with that.
I can't believe a strike force and me mate it.
Can't call bad man, mate. That's all late.
Cooler DJ man, you know me mate.
Chris Ferretti, you know. You're raging.
Oh.
Sorry for fuck your wife, you see, pray.
At least that man, big up yourself, Gallus boss.
You know, more invite you one thing than Gallus class.
Yeah, alright. I check my schedule and get back to you. Hold on, one Keisha says she want chat to you.
Walk one Keisha with the flat toe mark.
There to go for nigga, chat too much.
Now, Busy Signal, see the success. See the success of Govana. And I thought about say him started first. And I post, all of a sudden he start post back for him old song, them will get 1 million views. Because of that film music video getting 1 million views, while Govana get couple million. You see it like 8 million and this amount of million or 3 million and them millions Govana get. And Busy has show a video post 6 years ago we get they get million views. You see me? Like seriously. Him a go on like him invent that style of conversation and storytelling. It's not Busy Signal invent that. And furthermore, that I go from way back in at the time. Because Professor know to do that in a dance hall already. Master can do storytelling in a dance hall already. Enough people do it. But it's, you see me? It's just a thing will just make the thing nice. It's a look of vibes. I don't like when old artists say a young artist I do something and I try to bash them. I throw shade. I don't like it. I'm Busy Signal get an award the other day. Artist of the decade. You know what is a decade, brother? We're not 2020. But I put it back at 2010. What kind of hit song Busy Signal have so what can contribute to the music industry, a dancer, show him that him as the artist who run the decade. 2000. What kind of music? And that is a a full award that, not my opinion now. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe him deserve it. And if he's a Busy Signal of the artist of the decade, well, for the last decade, that him with that run dancehall. And people are another award them, my youth. Them people are another award them. I don't know if it's about them. I'm not going to call them bias or nothing, but when you hear Busy Signal around the place, even internationally, I live a foreign. When you hear Busy Signal around the place, check them views up on YouTube. Mr. Cartel are the artist of the decade. I have my reason. 2010 when and them year there when straight jeans and fitted that job 2010 2011 pre them views there. You see me? Pre them views that come straight back. Summertime music video come straight back till now. Even 2016 when he get locked up, King of the Dancehall, Fever get over 20 much million views. You get me? I say go Google and him have other song will get them million views. Even up to last year. Last year Cartel get about 26, 27 million views per any weather. Even right now when him a drop song 2 days ago, get over 400,000 views and them with it. When Busy Signal a drop song today now, a 5, look on them views there, compare Cartel and Busy Signal. Or if you be artist of the decade. Back in him have a couple videos have 8 million views and them thing there, but me not say Busy Signal all up there like, yo, them people are different, dog. Them people are different. You see me? I don't know. I can't wrong, you know. If I wrong, tell me something wrong. You see me? And everybody who are copying me like Terro and My View TV and CMR, go, your mother, dog. Anyways, Prince Addi-Net. You know what I mean? If you like my content, subscribe, share it. If you hate me, dislike me and block me. There's no way for block me on YouTube. Anyways, it's a Prince Addi-Net. I'm out.